The given question is ABC Limited invested in 80% bonds, face value of Rs 2000 with a residual maturity of 5 years and expected yield is 9%. Calculate the duration and modified duration. So duration and modified duration is nothing but it will come from the present value. So how we will calculate present value means already we know that if it is like some 4 years 1 2 3 4. So if the interest rate is some 10, so 10 by 1 plus r, 10 by, for second year it is 1 plus r whole square, for third year 10 by 1 plus r whole cube, but for final year that p plus r, that is if it is given 100 rupees, so 100 plus 10 is 110 by 1 plus r whole power 4. So here the given value is 2000 and given interest rate is 8%. So the coupon rate is, so what is the coupon rate? So coupon rate is 2000 into 8%, that is 160. So 160, for second year also 160, third year also 160, fourth year also 160. For final year principal plus interest, that is principal plus coupon rate, 2000 plus 160 means 2160. So given face value is 2000, so 2000 plus 160. So 160 is 8% of 2000. So now the given years is 5 years, that's why we took time as 1 to 5. So now present value we have to calculate. So how we will calculate present value? Coupon by 1 plus r whole power n. Present value means for 1 year coupon rate by 1 plus r whole power n, where n is year. So for first year it will become 160 by yield is 0.09. The given yield is 9%. So we will write as r as 0.09. So 1 plus 0.09 whole power n. So for first year it will become 160 by 1.09 whole power 1. So we will get 160 by 1.09. It will give 146.78. So 146 point, here I wrote 79 round figure, 146.79. Similarly for second year it is 160 by, yeah, can you tell 160 by 1 plus 09 whole square. So what is 1.09 into 1.09? It is 1.1881. So 160 by 1.1881 means it will give 134.67. So for third year what is the formula? 160 by 1.09 whole cube. So that will give 123. For fourth year 113 you will get. So you can cross check. So 160 by 1.09 into 1.09. So for 4 years it is 1.411. So divide 160 with that value. So we will get 113. So 113.35. Similarly, for final value, we will get principal plus interest. So we will get this value. So that is, so 2000 plus coupon rate 2160. 2160 by 1.09 whole power 5 will give 1403.85. Yeah, the summation of all years will give the price. This is the price value of the bond. So the face value of the bond is 2000 and the summation of present value of each year will give the price of that bond. So always remember, usually for the good returns, so price must be less than the face value. So now we have to find out the duration. So to find out duration, one must divide the individual values with the total value. So for first year, what is the present value? 146.79. By total value of that bond, that is price, that is 1922.2. So for first year, present value by price means 146.79 by this total value 1922.20. So that will give 146.79 by 1922.2 will give 0.076. 0.076. Similarly, next one 134.67 by total value, that is 1922.2, that will give 0.07. Similarly, we have to calculate for the till 5th year. Then now we have to multiply with the year. So we have to multiply with the year. So 0.0764 into 1. So the next column is this value into T. So this fifth one comes by multiplying 4 and 1. So the fourth value is 0.0764 and time value is 1. So we have to multiply. And multiplying and adding these values will give the duration. The first question is calculate duration. Duration means sum of this present value to the price into time. So I wrote the same here. So duration means, so for duration we have to add all these values, that is 0.76 to 3.65. So I am doing the same here. So duration means it is sigma means sum of it means. So the formula is present value by price into time. So we multiplied with the respective time, that is fifth column equal to fourth column into first column. So that will gives rise to, for first year it is this one, second year, third year, fourth year, fifth year. The sum of this will give approximately this one. So now coming to modified duration. So modified duration means duration with 1 by R, where R is yield to maturity. So duration by 1 plus R. So duration is 4.2968 by 1 plus, what is yield to maturity in the given question? It is, so expected yield is 9%. So 9% means 0.09. So 4.2968 by 1.09. So if we use calculator, 4.2968 by 1.09 will give 4.2968 by 1.09 will give, so 3.942. So this is how we have to calculate duration and modified duration.